Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your device and selecting a source. This saves time. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, then tap Ringtone. If you bought tones in iTunes, they appear automatically. If you'll make a custom tone, have the audio file ready on the iPhone or computer. GarageBand or a M4R file works best. Make sure the clip is 30s or less to meet Apple limits. Once done, proceed to create or import the ringtone so it becomes selectable. Now you'll create or import the tone. If using GarageBand on iPhone, import the song, trim to 30s, apply fades, then share right arrow ringtone and name it. Export completes the process. If using a computer, convert the track to AAC, change the extension from M4A to M4R, add it to Music or iTunes, and sync with your iPhone. Make sure you name the ringtone so you can find it. Once exported or synced, check it plays correctly before assigning it. Finally, assign the ringtone and verify it works. You can set it as the default under Settings right arrow ringtone, or pick a contact and edit right arrow ringtone to assign individually. Make sure vibration and emergency override settings match your needs. If the tone does not appear, check the file is M4R and under 30s, confirm the sync completed, sign out and back into iCloud if needed, and restart the phone. If problems persist, re-export the tone with a slightly different name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.